Here's something most drivers don't know. Over 70% of check engine lights are triggered by minor issues you could diagnose and fix yourself. If you had the right tool, that's exactly what we're diving into today. From budget-friendly lifesavers to scanner beasts that go way beyond just reading codes, this is your ultimate guide to the best OBD2 scanners for car diagnostics. We've compared and ranked them from this episode all the way to 1. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one's worth your money. All the links are in the description. Let's get into it on Number 8. UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner with Battery Tester. If you just want to plug in and get answers, no phone apps, no pairing nonsense. The UMEIJA scanner keeps it simple and effective. It reads and clears engine codes, checks emissions readiness, and even includes a built-in battery tester, which makes it more versatile than basic dongles. The real-life performance is solid. It helps spot a misfire on a Jeep and verified a fix on a Honda's transmission. That battery check before a road trip? Huge bonus! Sure, its live data graphing is pretty basic, and it can't dive into ABS or airbag systems like pricier tools. But for under $35, 0 cents, it's a self-contained unit that beats cheap ELM327 dongles in ease and reliability. If you want a no-fuss code reader with extra battery insight, this is a great starting point. Number 7. FOXWELL Rent 301. Now, the NT301 takes things up a notch for DIYers who want more than just engine codes. It offers live data, freeze frame, I/M readiness, and built-in DTC definitions, so you know what P171 actually means without having to Google it. Physically, it's rugged, with satisfying tactile buttons and a clear display. While it lacks graphing and ABS/SRS diagnostics, it's smoother and more accurate than the UMEIJA, and a step ahead of cheaper tools like the MS309. If you're serious about checking repairs or prepping for emissions, this is the sweet spot. Under $70, 0 cents. On number 6, MOTOPOWER MP6933. For pure affordability with decent performance, the MP6933 earns its spot. It covers the basics well. Engine codes, live data, freeze frame info, and even VIN readout, all without needing batteries or an app. It's a direct competitor to the Autel MS309 but has a slight edge with its real-time curves and multi-language support. Compared to the NT391, it's more compact and cheaper, though not as feature-rich. It's ideal for someone who just wants to quickly understand what that check engine light is about without investing much. Number 5. BLCKTEC 430. Bluetooth scanner. If you're all about wireless and want to use your phone, the BLCKTEC 430 changes the game. It reads engine, ABS, SRS, and TPMS data using the free RS2 app without subscription fees. That alone beats most ELM327 dongles and even rivals pricier tools like BlueDriver. Compared to the NT301 or MOTOPOWER, it offers deeper system access, but the catch is it only works in the US and Canada, and initial pairing can be finicky. Still, for under $70, 0 cents, it's a powerhouse if you want full system scans through your phone without extra costs. On number 4, top-down aid, 500. Here's where we start entering pro territory. The Top 10 AD 500 offers not just engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission scans, but also service resets like oil, TPMS, and EPB. It's built like a mini tablet, comes with lifetime updates, and even gives you 4-channel graphing on live data. Compared to the BLCKTEC or NT301, this one does a lot more, especially if you need maintenance resets or AutoVIN. Downsides? It's around $150, 0 cents, and not bi-directional. but it punches way above its price and covers more systems than anything below it on this list. On number 3, Autel MS309. This one is bare bones, but damn reliable. The MS309 is perfect if all you want is engine code reading, clearing, freeze frame data, and emissions checks. It's small, fast, and crystal clear with built-in DTC definitions. It doesn't have ABS/SRS or graphing, and buttons feel a bit plasticky, but at under $25, 0 cents. It's faster and more accurate than most entry-level Bluetooth dongles against MOTOPOWER. It's a little more user-friendly, but not as visually detailed. It's a dependable workhorse for anyone who just wants check engine answers without the fluff. On number 2, FOXWELL's NT604 Elite. Now we're talking. The NT604 Elite is a full-system diagnostic tool covering engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission with live data graphing, auto VIN, and a 3.5 color screen. It's got the rugged build of the NT301, but way more brains under the hood. Compared to the TOPDON, it matches most of its features and offers smoother live data playback but doesn't include as many service resets. Still, at around $150, 0 cents with lifetime updates. It's more versatile than the MS309 and NT301 and is easily one of the most balanced scanners for the money. On number 1, ZMOON ZM201. And finally, the ZMOON ZM201 takes the crown. Why? Because it finds the perfect middle ground. It's got a massive DTC database, 35,901 codes, live data graphing, freeze frame, auto VIN, and even USB export. All wrapped in a compact, intuitive package for under $85, 0 cents. While it doesn't offer ABS or SRS scans like the NT604, it outshines every scanner below it in live data clarity, user experience, and on-screen explanations. Compared to MS309, it's smarter. Versus NT301, it's more capable. And while it doesn't have all the bells of TOPDON, its ease of use and value make it unbeatable for everyday drivers who want real diagnostic power without going pro. So, what do you think? Did your favorite make the list? Let me know in the comments. If you ask me, the ZMOON ZM201 wins this lineup. It balances power, simplicity, and value like no other. Whether you're a weakened mechanic or just someone who hates surprise repair bills, that's the scanner to get. All the links are in the description. Check them out. And if this helped, hit that like button, share it with a car buddy, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense gear guides like this. Catch you in the next one.